guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my mini series that I have going on with changing out the valve covers on the 350Z. This week we're going to be doing the rest of it. We're going to basically be putting everything back the way it was and hopefully getting it to start after I charge the battery again. I've been waiting so long to get this done. I'm gonna run through everything that I need to do to get this completed and then we're gonna get started. All right, so for right now, we're gonna replace the spark plugs. I have the coil packs in there already just to make sure that no dust or debris gets inside. Then we are gonna work on getting this wiring harness back on, along with putting on the new mid to lower plenum gasket. Once that's done, then we'll put the whole mid to lower plenum back on, put the upper plenum gasket on, and then put the upper plenum on and put everything back. Super excited to get this done. I've been waiting so long. I haven't driven the Z in such a long time and I just want to get this over with so I can start driving the Z and making videos again. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately and I'm sorry for that. I want to be posting. I want to make sure that the Z is up and running before I start making videos again. Hopefully this will be the last one you have to watch before I can start doing videos every single week just like it was before. Like I mentioned, I did get new spark plugs to replace the old ones. The old ones were not old at all. I just replaced them in that video, which I'll link up above, but I wanted to make sure to get new ones just in case the old ones did have oil on them. Might as well just replace it while I'm in here so it's a lot easier. There's the part number on these. These are the one step colder, so they will work a little bit better with a cold air intake or a short ram intake along with an exhaust. So here are two new hoses that I'm putting on that I got from Zero Motorsports. As you can see, these are the old ones compared to the new ones. The new ones look way better, obviously. This first one goes up here at the front, and then this back one is back here, way in the back corner, but this will also attach to your intake. Okay, now I have the whole wiring harness back in, so I'm gonna take off that cardboard cover, put the new lower to middle plenum gasket, and then put the lower to middle plenum back on. Now that the new gasket's on, we're gonna put back the lower to middle plenum bolts, and it will be in a sequence just like everything else is, and this will be torqued down to 114 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, now we're gonna put the upper plenum back on. Just make sure to put the coolant hoses back before you tighten everything down. So this hose that's right here, make sure to put this back first because it's gonna be a lot trickier if you put it on and bolt everything down and then have to put on the hose. Okay, so now I have my 18 bolts set here. The upper plenum's back on. Now we're gonna put all 18 bolts back and torque them down to spec. All right, and this is giving me the same torque specs. I'm gonna torque it down to 76 inch-pounds and then go up to 114 after that. guys, and that's gonna be about it. All that's left is replacing your air intake, then we'll throw the battery back in and finally try to start the Z. And she's done. Now we're gonna start it and hope that it works. Let's go! Finally! Finally. After all this time, she's working again. It's been about a month that I haven't had this working, and now I finally get to go drive her around. All right, let's get these panels back on, and I might go for a test spin. I have to at this point. Okay, it's been about a week since you guys seen that last clip, and I've been driving it this whole entire time. I'm gonna take it for another test drive so you guys can see how it's riding. So far, it's been pretty smooth. I haven't had too many issues. At first, it was a little rough around the edges, but she started to smooth out, and she's driving like a dream now. So far the Z's idling really well. Acceleration is good. I'm not getting any type of misfires like I was before. But we'll do some baby pulls up and down the street and see if any of that issue comes back. I always forget how rattly the Z is. Everything in this car shakes and rattles and it's crazy. So far, I mean, everything feels really healthy. I don't feel any breakup. I don't feel any lag in power like I was before. I can't believe it's been 2 months that I haven't been able to drive this car like that. It took so long for me to install everything, for me to get up the courage to even do this type of job myself. And now it's finally done and I can drive this car to its full ability again. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Hopefully you like this video. I definitely did enjoy doing this whole entire installation. Sometimes you gotta do things in life that scare you and that's where you're gonna learn the most. I definitely learned a ton from doing this installation and hopefully this gives you the courage to do something similar to your car. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Also come back next week for another 350Z or a Jeep video, and I'll see you in the next one.